Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Dainta Citra. I'm a final year student at one of the universities in Jakarta. I want to improve my English skills, preparing for the needs of professional work. I got a recommendation to go to Kampung, Inggris. However, due to the pandemic situation, I intend to find an online English course. I looked for some online English courses on Instagram and I chose Kresna. There are so many English course options available, but Kresna has a clear program offering. Without thinking, I immediately registered with the admin of Kresna. I consulted for the program that I will take, and my goals in taking course is to improve my speaking skills in preparation for my career as a teacher. Kresna admin gave me a recommendation to take a level 5 private speaking program for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, I have learned many things, especially informative and persuasive speeches. I have practiced my speaking. I have done micro teaching for my preparation to become a teacher. I also focused on improving pronunciation and grammar for speaking. I love to have a tutor who is fun, friendly, knowledgeable, and can facilitate my learning needs. He always provides feedback and tips for teaching, such as opening and closing classes, as well as learning methods that can make students understand the materials easily. I was also given many tips to improve my speaking skills. After joining the online program in Kresna for 2 weeks, I feel so satisfied. Therefore, I decide to continue my program on the following level. I feel my English are improving day by day. Before, I was afraid and didn't have the confidence to speak English. Since studying at Kresna, I have become more confident to speak English because my tutor always provides me suggestion and motivation at the end of the class. Finally, I want to say thank you very much to Mr. RV for helping me improve my speaking skills, and I am so lucky to have a tutor like you. And I want to say thank you to Kresna Institute and the admin of Kresna. That's all from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.